I'm Paul McNeil, and I'm an artist, and I'm doing artistic collaboration with the clothing company and motorbike and surfwear brand Deus Machina. I grew up in an era, formative time in my life was when punk rock music came along the first time, and it changed everything in the world for a bunch of people, and it got into our DNA, and art and design go hand in hand for me, and alternative's just been my whole life. I've never been particularly mainstream. As much as I tried, I realised it was pointless, so I stuck with the alternative, and I still love alternative everything. The painting takes an hour, that's half an hour too long. I'm not a great painter, but I think I have good ideas. As I always say to people, it's like, draw some pictures, hang it in your bedroom, invite friends over, that's an art show. Guess I've just done that forever, and I'm happy to do that. Since I moved to Byron Bay 14 years ago, well, even before that, when I was a teenager, I painted a bunch of surfboards, and I love the culture of surfing so much, and I love the history of it. And boards used to be a lot more colourful and bright instead of just being white toothpicks. So it's been a big mission of mine to bring colour and art back into surfboards. You've got this beautiful handcrafted board that's taken hours and hours to shape, and it's worth a lot of money. And then just getting a crazy spray can and just spraying it is, you can stuff it all up in 1 second, and I find it risky and fun. Being an artist, you pretty much work on your own all the time. You don't realise that until some other people come along and say, hey, will you do something with us? And you have to collaborate, and I really like doing that with good people. When Deus approached me doing an artist Capsule with them, they said, hey, do you want to do a motorbike? And I went, yeah, I've been dying to do a motorbike. I've designed a bike called the Goof Bike, and Deus have always had great taste, and they've kind of nailed everything I wanted to do and more. Skate, surf, motorbikes, art, music, culture, I'm happy.